Hello, I'm Sung Vũ Lê, an undergraduate student at the University of Science, Vietnam National University. Today, I will present our work, Storycrafter, a graph-based co-creative AI system supporting parental story reauthoring. We introduced an AI co-creative system to support parent-child storytelling. Parents often adapt stories to suit their child age or fit specific situation. Our system makes this adaptation easier and safer. Recent generative AI can create coherent stories and support interactive inputs, but for parent-child storytelling, existing systems are often complex, require writing skill, and lack child safety measures, making them not suitable for this context. So that we propose a design to overcome these limitations. Here is the system overview of Storycrafter. In the first stage, Storycrafter transforms a linear story into an editable structure format. The story is split into paragraphs with AI grouped into coherent narrative chunks. Key events are extracted and these chunks and events are assembled into a visual graph. After parent edits the story graph stage 2, graph to story converts the structure edits back into a coherent narrative using an AI assist plan, analyze, review, write pilot. These repeatedly create an outline from the events, identify inconsistencies and save violent, adjust the outlines based on the analysis, and finally write the full story. For the Cygat engine, the UI has two main panels. Category on the left, parent manage sensitive content type setting, the present level for them. Custom categories can also be added. Configuration on the right, for a selected category, parent can see its description, adjust keyword filters, and define LM-based policies. This engine operates throughout the storytelling workflow. In event creation or editing, unsay words triggers warning and block the chain. In graph to story conversion, configure constraints are injected into AI generation prompt. To evaluate the story crafter usability, we conduct a user study with 5 parents. Participants use Storycraft to recraft the Little Match Girl with an open-ended word to create a briefer version. Data collection includes screen and audio of recording and a box interview. Using reflective thematic analysis, we analyze transcript and interview to identify recurring theme, review 4 key findings. The graph-based format helps non-expert parents focus on story structure rather than wording, making brainstorming idea easier. AI suggestions back creativity and offer new story directions without reducing parents' sense of control. Editing familiar story and exploring alternative keep parents engaged and encourage interactive experimentation. Parents were confused when small edits trigger full story regenerations. Based on last finding, we propose localized regeneration to give parents more control over story updates. In this design, a change section automatically becomes part of the regenerating content to maintain overall story coherence, while parents select the specific generating path they want to update. To conclude, Storycrafter is a graph-based AI system that lets parents re-author story using editable narrative graph with built-in Sagat to ensure child-appropriate content. Our balanced story review both the advanced intention of our design. So, Storycraft demonstrates a step toward intuitive, safe, and engaging AI co-creative tools for parent-child storytelling. Thanks for listening.